Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here to talk about basic Python tutorials. And today we will learn how to print something, create a variable, and even import variables. Actually, this is easy guys, and then let's do it. It is easy, just a write print with brackets and quotations, and then write inside whatever you want. Easy, then here it's the output. Then let's add some variables. Name is our variable's name. Use equal sign and quotation marks, and then any name, say now Ali. And then our next variable will be age, and let's print something interesting like hello, I am name and I am 8 years old. But this won't be the output. Then here is the output. Let's see it. You can see now it changed. Easy busy. Let's now make it real. We are creating now input that the user will enter whatever he wants, whatever she wants, whatever they want, and our variable name will save it and hold it. And then here is the output, maybe easy or hard. Let's change and even make it clear. Right now we're gonna use if and else conditions, but look carefully, an error will occur here because we forget something, as you can see here. Our problem comes from line 2, and let's fix it. The error was we forgot to tell that we are going to use integer. Integer? Then now it works probably. You can see it. Let's now add else statement. This is how it works, and let's see it at the output. It will be clear actually. If I use older age or younger age, it will deal with different way. So guys, it's actually easy one. You get it? This is the basic. Okay, we're gonna do it growing and much more things. Okay, so guys, thank you for your time, and make sure you subscribed, liked, and even like the channel, and enjoy. See you soon.